what's up guys? Welcome back to the NUCLEI Overload Experiment vlog. You guys really enjoyed the last video, which actually made Ricky's day. Ricky was a bit of a sad panda. I don't know, he's weird, he gets like that sometimes. But then he read all of your comments about how much you loved his editing, so now he's super fired up to make this video even better. And this video is going to be a lot more around the workout we're going to do in the gym, but we're going to do a few things real quick first. Number one, I want to give you guys a pool update. A few of you guys asked me, so it might not look like much.
Yep, looks the same.
But there is a few things that have changed. Number one, the beam is gone in the middle of my lanai. There was a beam like right in the middle, and all I have to do now is paint it, so that's done, which is super important. Number two, this wall actually had the wrong lights. So these are waterfalls, right? And they were supposed to be LED, and they didn't put the LED ones in, so they put the LEDs in, and then the wall itself was actually, you can see right here, they didn't make it long enough, so they expanded it out. And then we ran the gas lines for the fire bowls, and all the plumbing is done. So now all I gotta do is tile, which starts this week. I'm super pumped about it.
Jumping.
Yeah, barefoot. Trying to figure out how to do a video. So Ricky thinks I'm crazy.
Yes.
So I wanna do like a video where we set up a tripod, and I jump in the pool like it is now, and I put like air mattresses or something down there. Visualizing the jump.
I mean, I'm with the idea of.
Oh, that hurt.
Exactly. Now imagine that on concrete. I love it, man. I just don't want you to like break a fucking rib or something. The day when we first started vlogging.
Yeah, you know, and actually, I feel like the last vlog we did was my most comfortable vlog. I'm just being myself now. Just doing what I want to do. You guys can come along for the ride. And if you like it, you can stay. If you don't, I'll just stay anyways.
Yeah. So when it comes to cooking the perfect chicken, what are your tips?
I'll tell you what. So for me, and I've been experimenting for a while, I always find it best if I cut it into like cubes, like inch by inch. All right. I used to cut them up even smaller than that. I used to do slices and throw it on that way. Cutting them up into cubes is definitely the easiest. And then I like cooking them with other food because it all kind of mixes together. I used to cook my peppers separate, but I found that having all that in there, along with this is actually olive oil right here, extra virgin. I get it from Ricky's house.
Oh! That's pretty solid. I'm gonna cut that out.
I find that when I cook everything kind of together, it all just cooks easier. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe it's all I'm not a professional chef. Maybe it's all the different juices and seasonings and whatnot. And then you guys saw I'm using my Icon meals. You know, even if you guys don't decide to do the pre-made meals, the seasonings alone are definitely worth it. So Ricky, toss up the promo code for them.
Yep.
But once it's cooked for about, a couple minutes, then I start to mix it around. And as I'm mixing it around, I try to look to make sure I have seasoning on everything. It looks like I do. And then with chicken, it's actually really good. So like if you're unsure if the chicken's cooked all the way through or not, I can take this piece, like right here, use my spatula, and I can just kind of split it in half and then see and make sure it's cooked all the way through, which it is. So that's why I like doing the cubes. So there's just one more thing to do before we head to the gym.
What is it? Oh, beets. Do you even know how to eat beets?
I have no idea. I should have asked Greg for directions. I'm pretty sure you can just eat them out of the can. I don't even know if I like beets. Yeah, put your fingers in my can of beets. Your dirty fingers. Doesn't it taste like almost like a carrot?
Yeah.
Like a chopped up carrot?
I don't know if I'm gonna eat the whole can. Are you gonna eat the whole can?
No.
Did Greg say eat the whole can?
He didn't really specify how many beets you had to eat to achieve 15% more strength.
My God, science, all this science.
I hope you guys know I'm not ragging on Greg. I've actually DM'd him about it because he did a grocery shopping video that I watched, and he talked about beets and how he gets the canned beets and how it can help with overall strength. And there is science behind it as well.
You know,
and I DM'd him on Instagram and he said, get the canned beets, it's a lot easier.
You know, while you eat beets, I'm just gonna go ahead and have one of these.
Oh yeah.
Bad boys.
This is definitely gonna wash away the taste. Thank you, Max Tuning, owner of Sour Strips Candy, the best tasting candy. I'm just kidding.
The best candy on the planet.
The absolute best candy in the world.
Not sponsored. Not paid.
Really not sponsored at all, but I'll tell you one thing. Candy's really good, and my wife, if she gets her hands on it before I do, it's gone. So I gotta like hide packs of it around the house. The new one's really good. What is this?
Mango?
Tropical mango. Have you tried it yet? It's really good.
I took a pack.
This actually tastes a lot like fruit roll-up. It's what this one tastes like. It's really good.
I should pay.
But you took a pack?
What are we doing today?
So we're back in the gym. I'm gonna be doing some more full body training, of course. So I haven't done my NUCLEI overload yet today. I'm gonna do it at the end of my workout. So I'm gonna be doing some power shrugs and some calves. We'll get to that at the end. But for this workout, I'm still a little sore from the last full body workout that we did, and I wanna incorporate different techniques. So you're gonna see some drop setting today in some of the exercises. Some of the exercises I'll still lift pretty heavy and just do a solid set of 8 to 10 reps, but like, for example, my back is feeling kind of sore, so I don't want to go super heavy, but I don't want to go easy either. So utilizing a technique like a drop set is going to allow me to get a lot of volume into my workout without having to kill myself going as heavy as possible. So for this exercise, guys, 10 reps, drop the weight, 10 reps, drop the weight, 10 reps, drop the weight. We're going to do 3 sets here. One thing that's really cool about utilizing different techniques like drop sets is I probably haven't done a seated chest press machine, an all-this machine like this, and I don't even know how long. But because I'm drop setting, I want to be able to just adjust the weight as fast as possible in between my sets, or in between my drops. So it makes sense to use this machine, right? It hurt. It felt good. Alright guys, we're going to switch things up today. Instead of doing the seated or the prone leg curl, we're going to do the standing single leg. Now I want you to notice when I'm doing this exercise, I'm not pretending this is my feet, these are my toes. I'm not pointing my toes towards my shin. I'm going to push away as much as I can. What I've noticed lately when I do my hamstrings, they're developed, but I feel like they're underdeveloped compared to like my quads, right? And so when you point your toes away from your shin, it's almost like it disengages any other muscle that could help with the movement, and you feel it like right in the meat of your hamstring, like right in the middle. To be honest, the first couple times you do it, it kind of hurts. You gotta go really light. Then as you do it week to week, you start to get stronger, you get a bit more activation, better mind-muscle connection with your hamstrings. We're gonna do a little bit of quad isolation here. Granted, we're still activating quite a bit of our lower body doing the hack squat, but we're gonna make it a bit more quad focused by bringing our feet up a tiny bit and then placing the feet closer together. Just make sure you have good range of motion if you do a machine like this. It's really hard sometimes, like the angle of this pad It's not 100% the best, so sometimes you'll see me switch grabbing from these handles to down here. Essentially what I'm trying to do is pull my butt into this crevice and keep it there as tight as I can. So I just keep all the focus on my legs, not to worry about my body sliding up and down, but it burns. It's a pretty good workout here. The last exercise, we're gonna do something a bit interesting. We're gonna do a Jefferson squat, but we're not gonna pick the bar off the floor. We're gonna have it across our shoulders. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I like the fact that from the starting position, as I'm going into my descent, I have to push my knees out, and I feel a lot more individual activation in the leg that's in front. So for example, if I'm doing the Jefferson squat this way, and I'm squatting down like this, I wasn't really feeling hamstring activation since I had that injury a couple months ago, but I'm noticing by doing the Jefferson squat, whenever that leg is forward, I'm getting a lot more activation out of that hamstring. So it's been helping me kind of even things out and getting me back into my heavier lifts. I can still lift heavy now. I can still squat 315 for about 5 to 6 reps, but I'm starting to feel a lot more comfortable doing it now. So we're gonna finish up today's workout with a superset that I really like to do for my shoulders. Really targets the middle deltoid, the rear deltoid, and hitting some upper traps as well. You probably saw this in my last vlog, guys, but because I'm focusing a lot on my traps, doing a lot of power shrugs, I'm getting a lot of heavy work, heavy barbell work every single day, so I don't need to hit them as hard in my workouts, but I still wanna hit like all the deltoids, right? So I'm gonna be doing lateral raise, 12, 15 repetitions, and then I'm gonna do a pronated grip, rear raise, still standing, slight bend over, really targets the rear delts and the upper traps. If you haven't tried this yet, you gotta give it a shot. It burns. That was a pretty good workout, huh?
It was.
It's pretty intense, guys. Tell you what, I'm really getting the hang of this full body training. Probably going a bit harder than most of you would first starting out, switching out the program, but I think it's just because I'm excited about it, trying new things. I'm getting closer to figuring out exactly how I want my program to go. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna sit outside on my lanai and just start kind of putting exercises down on an Excel spreadsheet and start organizing what I've been testing. I'm at that point right now. Yep. It's gonna be perfect by the time you guys get it. But good workout. I'm feeling really good. The NUCLEI overload training is intense, but I feel like it's working. And then alternating the heavy days with the lighter days and I haven't done supersets and drop sets in a long time in my workouts. I was just kind of stuck in the same rut of just doing some bro split training, which is fine for a while, but it gets boring, right? Mm-hmm. It gets wicked boring.
Wicked boring.
Wicked boring.
Look good.
But feeling good. Yep. What'd you say?
Said looking good.
Thanks, man. I'm trying to, like I said.
Did you get a new haircut?
Yeah, actually I did.
Ooh.
Get a little fade up to the side right here. It's okay though.
Looking sharp.
Oh guys, well thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and you know, Ricky loves it when you guys compliment his editing, so make sure you like the video and comment below.
Shucks.
And we'll see you in the next workout. Later guys. If any of you guys need a new workout program, click the link below and download Guaranteed Gains. It's a program that I built, custom made to work in any gym that you go to, including Planet Fitness. And if at the end of the day there's exercises that you can't do or need help or need an alternate for, you can comment on the program on my website. I'll see it and I'll help you out personally. Hope you guys have a great day, and as always, more good stuff coming soon.